Hey guys, so OpenAI just dropped their new O1 model, and honestly, it's really interesting. I'm pretty excited about this one. So stick with me for around 2 minutes and I'll catch you up on all the cool and new stuff this model brings to us. Alright, so the O1 model has the tech world buzzing because it's not just built for speed like previous AIs. This thing actually takes time to reason, step by step. So could this be a big deal for programmers? Well, every time a new AI model is released, it brings up the same fear. Is this going to replace my job? And with the new O1 model from OpenAI, these concerns are louder than ever. This model is built to solve hard problems that require multi-step reasoning, meaning it can potentially handle tasks that traditionally required a human programmer's brain power. Now let's break down what makes the O1 model so special. Unlike previous models like GPT-4o, which were optimized for speed, O1 focuses on thinking through a problem. It uses something called chain of thought reasoning, where it breaks down a task into steps and processes the information more deeply. This makes it perfect for STEM tasks, brainstorming, and scientific research. It's a really great coder's sidekick. This model doesn't just throw out lines of code, it can actually debug, run complex workflows, and even fact check itself. So instead of digging through endless Stack Overflow threads when you hit a bug, O1 might be able to step in and help you out. But yeah, it's not all sunshine. Since it's thinking harder, it's slower than models like GPT-4o. But here's the catch, like I said, O1 is slower than previous models like GPT-4o because all of that extra processing. And as of now, it lacks some features like web browsing or image processing. So while it's a powerful tool, it's not perfect. And it's also a bit more expensive for developers using the API. So this model is a trade-off, better reasoning but slower and costlier. Now let's put this into perspective, right, with a real-world example. Imagine a super complex coding task like designing an algorithm for a physics simulation. Usually this will take hours of work from a developer, but with O1 you've got an AI that can break the problem into steps, solve it, and even debug the code along the way. In one case study, O1 tackled advanced math benchmarks, achieving 83% accuracy on a test where GPT-4o scored just 13%. It's even been tested in coding competitions like Codeforces, where it outperformed previous models. The model's ability to think through tasks like this shows how AI is evolving from just a tool that assists programmers to one that can handle more sophisticated work. Personally, I'm always excited when a new model comes out because I know it should make my life easier as a developer. And I really see AI as a tool that will help us, not replace us. And I know we're going through a tough period with the job market and all that, but it's going to get better. We'll just need to embrace these tools and figure out how to use them to our advantage. But let me know what's your thoughts on this model in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe if you want OpenAI to stop making so many new models. See ya!